Okay, here's a quick tip. If you're gonna push your bike, you know, like in a rocky place, a good tip is, instead of pushing it, place it on your shoulder and walk. I think it's a lot better to walk, and so you can go whenever. So much easier to go around, you know, because you just have to pay attention to your steps and not to the wheel. So this way you can go much easier around a rocky place. Yeah, I know. Quick tips are like this. Quick tips are very simple and help you somehow. I hope it did help you somehow. If you did like it, thumbs up. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do. I know it's a quick tip. It's quick. Just put in your shoulders. You need no hands. One hand is holding my phone and the other one is here. So I'm doing no effort at all. And I just have to pay attention where I step on, you know. And that's it. Bye-bye.